Okay, so hello and welcome everybody. Technical Tuesdays, Volume 7. I hope everyone had a very good trading week since our last video. Today I'm just going to recap on a few trade recommendations that we went over last Tuesday and just skim over a few pairs now, as we have seen a little bit of movement in the market and a little bit of change in sentiment on some pairs. Also, I'm just going to be cutting down the videos from what they were, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, down to around possibly just around 10 minutes now. I've given a lot of people an insight onto some, not all, of the techniques and strategies, and how we break down the market and so on. And it's been very good to see all of the great feedback which we have on a daily basis. Just from purely these videos and some other analysis, mainly on Twitter. Just giving a deeper insight into how we trade the market and break the market down, and it's just give people a little bit more structure to the trading, I think, also. So thanks for all the feedback. I'm going to continue doing these videos for everybody. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go over each pair once again, catch up on last week's recommendations, and just give my other recommendations for the week ahead this week. Okay, so I'm in fact going to start on the weekly EURUSD, and as you can see, we were in fact eyeing up the 1.3480, 1.35 level, and we are currently trading at 1.3466 at the moment. As you can see, we have indeed cleared this level here, this low, the last higher low on the weekly trend, on the weekly uptrend, where we had the bullish engulfing candlestick formation just come off the Kijun. So, for many weeks, for the guys who have been following us, let me just zoom in here. As you can see, we broke through the cloud after we had this shooting star on this resistance. We did indeed have a few attempts of going a little bit higher, but as you can see, lower high, and we finally broke through. I think it was today. I haven't been watching the market this week. We've been very busy with other things. Okay, so we have indeed we took this level out. I think the next target to the downside now is 1.3410. We also have the 200 EMA here also, was 2 confluence for the target, and from this double top we are in fact reaching target 2, so it's only around 1.3360 to 1.3400. As you can see, we have all of the support here on the cloud. So yeah, I'm going to be watching price action on the weekly at these levels. So let me just, as you can see here also, here's a strong area of support just here. Okay, so next downside targets 1.34, 1.3350. Okay, so let me just go down to the daily. Right, I'm just going to give us a few recommendations here now on the euro. Zoom out. Okay, so yeah, next level 1.34. As you can see here, we might get a little bit of divergence just here, but again, only time will tell on this one. So we got some support here also. The cloud's fully bearish on the daily. We're dipping into the cloud on the weekly, so I'm not too sure at the moment. It's too early to decide, if we've got a complete weekly trend reversal on our hands. But as you can see, 1, 2, 3. Since we were actually short on this pair for a while, I know a lot of people followed that trade. Bearish engulfing, third touch on the descending trend line, and we followed through quite nicely. And we also had Fibonacci significant high, so we take that as A. B, C retracement, and D target 1 is minus 27, which is 1.3360. So I think, guys, just watch 1.3360 for the downside target, and no buys until we see price action, candlestick reversals and so forth around this level. Okay, on to the next pair, GBPUSD. It's been a bit of a pain. I did say last week I was bullish on this. It's kind of mixed at the moment. As you can see, cloud, we're still in bullish territory. The weekly, we did in fact have a hanging man, and yeah, we had a hanging man. As students know, we don't just enter after a hanging man. I basically use it as a warning and take that data onto the lower time frames in order to find a trade execution, maybe to possibly to a downside, because it is a bearish reversal. We are in fact just hanging around this MA really, and you can see a significant point of support here, just off the shooting star. So yeah, the shooting star formed at resistance, broke above that, and this 1, 2, third down week now. We could just be coming back down to 1.7, just to test that prior resistance as support now. So As I say, this could spring back up at any time, but we have got significant levels of support just here at 1.7050, and next support 2 is 1.7. So again, it's completely up to you how you play this. I'm 50-50 on this pair at the moment. It's not giving me enough evidence for a break in either direction or a trend continuation. On the 4 hour, we are approaching support. See around here, we've got some a dynamic area of support here, and we've got the 200 moving average. So quickly for you guys, chuck a try on breakout retest continuations to the upside target 1.7180 and then 1.73. Okay, next pair, Aussie dollar daily, a raise. Okay, so we did have a 2014 high just here. Again, we had the false breakout, which was ripped straight back down with a bearish engulfing candle off the highs. So these are new highs of the year now, 0.95. We've got a swing lower high here, another lower high here, and as you can see, the daily, well, we did. So I just forgot to mention this support, nice area of support, resistance. So we are trapped in this range at the moment on the Australian dollar, but as you can see, this daily here, we did spike up to 0.942030, and now we've been ripped straight back down, and we are also we are basically sideways in this market as a Kijun sideways here, and we did spike it for 2 times now, as it's the market's using that as an area of resistance. So 4 hour, let's just go back down to the 4 hour. Aussie at the moment, I did put a post on Instagram end of last week, and as you can see, again, this one's 50-50 for me right now. This could be playing out some Fibonacci right now, and as you can see, we are struggling on this 200 EMA, and we are at a point of 4 hour resistance on this flat Kumo here. So again, 50-50 we would have to, for a downside break, we would probably have to clear out this breakout retest continuation. If we break 0.9330, we would probably definitely going to see 0.92, about 0.9210. On the upside, we could come and make new highs. I'm not too sure, but I'm going to be watching this one very closely. Again, this is 50-50 at the moment. Okay, onto Euro Yen weekly. I've been talking about this weekly bearish divergence for about 2 months now, for around 2 months, and we had the swing high break, and so forth. So yeah, we're basically daily support is 136.20, and I've been posting about that for quite some time. I've actually got some work. I'll show that next time. But basically, the next key level on Euro Yen is 135.30 or 2830 on the weekly. Okay, let's just go down to the daily. Again, bearish cloud, we're trading below the 200 EMA, just adjust this level, and we've got some daily support right here at 136.55. From 136.20 to 136.55 is daily support, so I'll be watching price action once again. I think we got just a weak euro at the moment. So yeah, I think this could come around 40-50 pips lower, and then again I'm going to be watching on the weekly chart for any possible evidence of a reversal, maybe to the upside. Okay, so let me just remove that. Okay, 1 second, bear with me. Okay, so that's my Euro Yen analysis. A little bit more room to the downside, but I've pointed out the major key levels for you to watch, and then it's up to you. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, doji on the 4 hour, kind of an evening star formation, 1, 2, 3, and I've had a little bit of continuation here. Okay, so again, I'll be watching that a bit lower. And the next one, GBPAUD weekly. We've been this has just been a mess for so long now. Approaching the cloud, we're bang on this cloud now, as you can see here. So, okay, so onto the final pair, GBPAUD daily. 1.8300, as you can see, is a significant level of resistance on this flat Kumo. And to the upside, a break of this. As you can see, the moving average, we're basically sideways here. As you can see, we're trading around the 200 EMA. We're near the Kijun, and we nearly have it. Could potentially see a crossover here. This could potentially be 1, 2, 3, fourth and final rejection off this level. As you can see here, we got the a doji. We've got the hanging man, the bearish continuation. So this could actually continue to the downside. Downside targets would actually be, as you can see here, first 2 points duplicated, 1, 2, 3. We could find support around here at 1.8050 and then bounce up maybe to 1.8600 again. Kind of indecisive. We're at indecisive levels in the market at the moment. We have just got to sit on our hands and just wait. I'll give you the key levels. You might have some other key levels in mind, but these are the key levels that I work from, and they're the levels I'm going to be watching price action and so forth. So yeah, there's the analysis done for today. Any questions, feedback, comments, observations and so on, feel free to contact us at contact@astrofx.com. We're also in the process of updating our UK, non-UK videos and all of our introduction videos and so forth on the website, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully it's going to be in a week or so. And we are also putting all of our students' testimonials on the website for everybody to check out all of our previous students' testimonials, what they thought of us, the goods, the bads, the uglies and so forth. But we have had some very, 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 very good feedback. I'm happy with everyone and I appreciate all the respect from everybody, and I'm really happy about how everybody's just learning bits here and there just from our free analysis. As we say, we've been doing this for many, many years just on Facebook. You can go over to our Facebook page. I think that's just Astro Fx Limited. Obviously put Facebook, Astro Fx Limited. You can go give us a like over there. That's where we also post some analysis over there. We've got the Twitter at Astrofx13 and our Instagram at Astro Forex. So okay guys, I'm going to check out now because I've got to go. We've got some more work to do. It's currently 7:45 GMT over here in England. It's been probably one of the hottest days here so far. So I need a break, and also I need to do some members videos for all of the students. Again, if you want more information and you want to get involved with us and take our course and so on, we are actually cutting down our one-to-ones and so on. We're changing our whole course structure where it was 2 days. We're now going to be branching off into like a seminar level and teaching at, we're going to be doing different packages such as the beginners and also the advanced. The advanced includes all of the Ichimoku clouds and so on. And a couple other tools that we have. So yeah, we are in the midst of changing all of our course structure and so on, because now you want to step things up to the next level. Okay guys, I'm going to check out. I hope you all have a great trading week. Keep up to date with our other aspects of social media in order to see our potential trade recommendations for the Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So yeah, good night everybody and have a great week. Thank you very much.